So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday, the 1st of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So we saw prices start to trend to the downside here on the US dollar against Japanese yen. We then had we did come into this area where we did have the confluence of the 200 period moving average as well as the horizontal level of the 106.94. What we did see was brief buy side momentum come into the market, some counter to this previous trend, and what we did see prices head downwards with very strong momentum. Now we've come down in towards this 106.60 in around an area we had a few minor swings in the market, and we do appear to be going to a bit of consolidation for a move upwards. Now if we continue to hold above this our most recent low here, ideally we'd like to be around the 106.32, but if we do hold our most recent low, goodness me, our most recent low in around the 106.50. If we continue to hold the 106.50, we would be expecting prices to head up towards for a test of that 106.94, where we do have the added confluence of 200 period moving average. Now, having the added confluence of a 200 period moving average does increase the likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come off this level. So if we do see sell side momentum come off the 106.94, we'll be looking for price head back down towards that 106.60, 106.50. Successful break from which we'll be looking for price head down towards that 106.32. Now, if we were to break down further than the 106.32, we'll be looking for prices to head down towards the 106 before going down towards the 105.55. And to the upside, before we finish off here, to the upside, if we were to break and hold above the 200 period moving average as well as a horizontal level of the 106.94, we'll be looking for prices to head up towards that 107.32. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. But before we go, we can have a brief look at the daily chart. And as we can see here on this daily chart, is we've had a pretty strong trend to the downside. We've had a retracement, had some sell side momentum come back into this market. Now, again, we've mentioned level that we are looking at to the downside, but we do appear to be have formed a bit of a bottom in around 105.55. We have not retested that level, but we've gone into a period of consolidation before we look to see prices head upwards, which will be counter to this trend to the downside. Overall, however, while the US dollar does appear a bit weak against the Japanese yen, we continue to hold, as long as we continue to hold these horizontal levels, we do have the potential to see a high, we do have the potential to see a deeper retracement upwards. If, however, we aren't able to hold the levels I previously identified, we'll be looking for price to head downwards. Head downwards towards the various levels identified beneath the 105.55, like for example 104.65. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.